Hello there. You can add some useful features to GNOME. GNOME, who knows how it's pronounced? Like this live system monitor, this clipboard, a transparent top bar, ooh, and best of all, you can connect your phone to your system just like PhoneLink on Windows.
Wow!
Make sure you have this browser extension installed. It's called gnome-shell-integration. Then we install gnome-shell-extensions if your distro doesn't have it pre-installed. This is what GNOME extensions look like. You can disable or remove extensions from here. You can also view the websites where the extensions are from. To install a new extension though, we can do it in the browser or locally. For the browser, you can go to extensions.gnome.org. I'll install this extension from the browser as an example and it will appear in extensions. Now you can switch between themes and break your other custom elements. I've never tested this. I don't know what it actually does, besides break my top bar.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn this one off. Here's me toggling some extensions so you can see how they work. Like I said earlier, we don't have to just install from the browser. We can install an app and install extensions locally using Extension-manager. With this, we'll be able to both manage and download new extensions from one app. Everything looks relatively the same, except there's a search button where you can search for extensions that are normally found in the browser. Click on Browse and search for GS Connect. Click on Install and it should appear on the top right. Now we need to install the corresponding app for Android. Go to the Play Store and find KDE Connect and install it. Yes, this was actually originally made for KDE Plasma. In the app, click on the burger menu and pair new device. As long as your PC and phone are on the same network, your PC should appear. Click to connect and you should be good to go. Make sure the extensions that you are installing still have support, otherwise they might cause some compatibility issues, like the extension crashing, or the extension crashing your desktop environment. Thank you for watching. Look what I found on the internet.
Excuse me. Hi. Would you like to sample our new scent?
No, fuck off. Can't be sidetracked with cheap sex potions.